I am like brushing a rainbow. Hey guys, it's Clelea. Welcome back to this video and welcome back to Pura Vida Unboxed. I am so excited to be doing this. Thank you so much, Pura Vida, for sponsoring this video. I was so excited when I got the email from Pura Vida saying that they wanted to sponsor me. I was so excited. Their bracelets are literally the cutest bracelets ever. They are so popular, so cute, and they are all for such a good cause, and they're just so awesome. So if you want to check that out, click the link down below or check out their Instagram. It is called Pura Vida Bracelet, so go check that out. So I was very excited when I got this in the mail, and I kind of opened it already. They're just so cute. I couldn't resist. But I'll show you the package. The package is so cute, you guys. Look at that. I'm pretty sure this is mauve colored, and the design, it almost looks like a stenciled version, like somebody hand drew it. I actually think someone did, which is super cool. So then when you open the package, it's got this really cute photo. Guys, their Instagram photos are the cutest. They're so aesthetic, and the bracelets are really cute. They're just doing so good. Love their stuff. Then inside this cute little envelope, there's another cute photo. Again, super aesthetic, super duper cute. And then on the back, it's just got some awesome information, which I really think needs to be said because this is so cool. Pura Vida supports hundreds of artisans. They help with a steady income, employment opportunities, and positive work environment. I think that's awesome. Then after that, we have got the best part of this entire video, the Pura Vida bracelet pack. Guys, I love their bracelets so much. So this is part of the monthly club, so make sure you guys become a part of their monthly club because they have awesome bracelets that you can get each month, including this pack, which is, oh, we've got 4 bracelets. All right, so to start off, we've got this really cute braided bracelet. I think that's so cute. It's purple, silver, and black. Kind of subtle, so it's not so bright, and you can wear it with basically anything. Oh, they have this cute bracelet that says "Be kind." I'll show you. Be kind. If you guys can see that. That is so cute. I love the blue string. It adds a little pop of color. Then we've got this other braided bracelet, and it's got a skull on it. That's actually so cute, you guys. See that cute skull? Super cute. And probably my favorite bracelet out of all of them, they've got this bracelet with beads. You can see that. There's some silver, some whites, so it adds a little more color as well. So cute. These are the 4 different types of bracelets, you guys, that you can get with your monthly club. Make sure you guys go subscribe and become a part of their monthly club because they're awesome. You get lots of cute bracelets, and you can be matching with me. We can be twinners and have the same bracelets. But yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to their monthly club and go and check out their Instagram as well as their YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Pura Vida for sponsoring this. Bye!